STEMKit Conceptual Maths. Grade 4, Dividing by Two-Digit Numbers. We will cover division of a 4-digit number by 2-digit number. We have already covered smaller divisions by 2-digit numbers. Let us take 1215 divided by 81. To divide, we need a number more than 81 in the divisor to start with. 1 is lesser than 81. 12 is lesser than 81. 121 is more than 81. We don't know the table of 81. So we will hide the last digit of both divisor and dividend. Dividing 12 by 8, we get 1. Our estimate is 1. We have to check this estimate. 81 multiplied by 1 is 81. Let us check one higher. 81 into 2 is 162. 162 is more than 121. So we go with our estimate, which is 1. Going forward, we get 405 divided by 81. Again, we follow the same process. Hide the last digit of both numbers. We get our estimate for 40 divided by 8, equal to 5. Checking this estimate of 5. 81 multiplied by 5 equals 405. This is equal to 405, so we use this estimate. We get quotient as 15 and remainder as 0. And we are done. Have fun.